toy photography props you probably didn't think of. Today I was wandering around a pet shop and there's crazy ideas in there for toy photography props. And they're a great size too. And I couldn't help myself but buy a couple of things. I spent about 27 quid in there roughly. So here's the list of items that I got. So the first items I came across were these twigs, some more wooden beams, and this log that has these holes in it. They were on an offer for 3 for 2, and you can just use these to just scatter around in your backgrounds really, and just gives that little bit of texture to your props when you're doing your toy photography. I especially like this log piece. I think it was about £4 maybe, but I'm looking forward to doing something with this in the future. So next item I found is this stone bridge, which was in the aquarium section. But this will be an interesting piece to add into the background of some of my sets that I'll make in future. I also found some of these kind of like moss walls. So this could just add texture to your background. You can just lay them up against some of your sets that you create. They were on offer again, 3 for 2. And finally, these were reduced to £1, and they're just little plants. Again, you can just chuck these in the background of your sets. So next time when you're out and about, if you happen to stumble across a pet store, maybe take a look inside and see what you can find. If you manage to find some interesting props, leave a comment below and I'll check them out. Till next time, bye.